Today we are going to start Eduteria Test 7, which was conducted on this Monday. Question 1. Who founded the Sadakat Ashram during the non-cooperation movement in Bihar? The answer is Majrul Haq. He established Sadakat Ashram in Digha. Second, which revolutionary participated in the meeting of Hindustan Socialist Republican Army from Bihar in September 1928? The correct answer is Fanindranath Ghosh. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was established under the leadership of Chandrasekhar Azad at Firoz Shah Kotla, and it was attended by Fanindranath Ghosh of Bihar. Question 3. In which of the following state was Nakshpind a site discussed during the Salt Satyagraha? The correct answer is Bihar. Fourth, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Bandi Jeevan, correct. Indian struggle, Subhash Chandra Bose. India divided, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Annihilation of caste, B.R. Ambedkar. All the options are correct. So the answer is none of the above, as it is asking not correctly matched. Question 5. Among the following events, which of the following events happened last related to the freedom struggle of India? The answer is Amritsar session of the Indian National Congress. 6. During the tenure of which Governor General the Asiatic Society was established in Calcutta? The correct answer is Warren Hastings. Asiatic Society was founded by William Jones in Bengal in 1784 during the tenure of Warren Hastings. The tenure of Warren Hastings was from 1773 to 1785. Question 7. Who compared Curzon's administration in India to that of Aurangzeb? The correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the leader of moderate ideology, and he compared his administration to that of Aurangzeb because of the policies of Lord Curzon. Question 8. Who among the following led the Rampa revolt? The correct answer is B. Sitaram Raju. He led the Rampa revolt in Andhra Pradesh between 1879 to 1922. This was the tenure of the revolt. 9th, who was the first Governor General to impose censorship on the press? The correct answer is Lord Wellesley. Censorship on the press was first imposed by Wellesley, and he imposed censorship rules on newspaper in 1799. 10th, in which year Bal Gangadhar Tilak was punished for the first time for journalism? The correct answer is 1882. He was imprisoned for 4 months in 1882 for condemning the behavior of the British towards the Maharaja of Kolhapur. He was the first Indian person to be punished for journalism. Question number 11. Who founded the Sadharan Brahma Samaj? The correct answer Shivnath Shastri and Anand Mohan Bose in 1878 founded the Sadharan Brahma Samaj. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. 12th, by the Native Marriage Act, the minimum age of marriage for girls and boys was fixed at 14 years and 18 years respectively. In which year was this act passed? The correct answer is none of the above, as the Native Marriage Act was passed on 1872. It was passed during the time of Lord Northbrook, and he fixed the minimum age of marriage for girls and boys at 14 years and 18 years respectively. Who founded the Indian Association in Calcutta? Indian Association was founded by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose on 26 July 1876. Question 14. In which of the following session of the Congress resolutions related to National Economic Program and Fundamental Rights were passed? The correct answer is Karachi session 1931. The session was presided over by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 15th, who among the following was the political guru of Subhash Chandra Bose? The correct answer is Chittaranjan Das. Chittaranjan Das was the political guru of Subhash Chandra Bose, and Mahatma Gandhi's political guru was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. 16. Where was Mahatma Gandhi arrested and kept during the Quit India movement? The correct answer is Aga Khan Palace. 17th. Who was the first to propose a separate nation for Muslim? The correct answer is none of the above, as it was first proposed by Muhammad Iqbal during the Allahabad session of Muslim League. 18th. When was the All India State People Conference organized? The correct answer is C. 1927. All India State People's Conference was organized in 1927. 19th. Who among the following was made the President of the Indian National Congress after Subhash Chandra Bose's resignation at the Tripuri session? The answer is none of the above, as after the resignation, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was made the President of the Congress. 20. Day of Deliverance was celebrated by Muslim League. The answer is in the joy of resignation of Congress cabinet. Due to the resignation of the Congress cabinet, Muhammad Ali Jinnah called on all the Muslims of the India to celebrate Day of Deliverance on 22 December 1939. Question 21. Marathi magazine Bahiskrit Bharat was published by which of the following? The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. In 1927, the Marathi magazine Bahiskrit Bharat was published by B.R. Ambedkar. 22. The first fast unto death was started in India by Mahatma Gandhi against the communal award. 23. Due to differences of opinion on which of the following subjects, the second roundtable conference was declared unsuccessful. The answer is B. Communal representation. 24. Among the following revolutionaries, who was not related to Kakori train robbery case? The answer is A. Sukhdev. Kakori train robbery incident, which took place on 9th August 1925, is remembered because of the revolutionaries Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaq Ullah Khan, Rajendra Prasad Lahiri and Roshan Singh, associated with the Hindustan Republican Association. 8. Down goods train going to Kakori on Saharanpur-Lucknow line was robbed by them. 25. In the year 1912, the 27th session of the Congress was held in Bankipur, Patna. Its chairman was, the answer is none of the above. Its chairman was Rangnath Singh Madholkar. 26. Who among the following founded the Odanta Puri Vihar? The correct answer is B. Gopal. Gopal of Pal dynasty in 7th century. 27. Among the following rulers, who was the first who defeated Muhammad Ghori? It was Bhim II. Muhammad Ghori attacked Patan, Gujarat in 1178 AD but was defeated by Bhima II, the ruler of Gujarat. This was the first defeat of Muhammad Ghori in India. 28. What was the main objective of Mahmud Ghaznavi invasion of India? The answer is to gain wealth. 29. Which of the following rulers became famous by the name of Quran Khan for reciting the Quran in very melodious manner? It was Qutbuddin Aibak. 30. The polygars in the administration of South India were. The correct answer is regional administrator and military controller. 31. Arrange the following battles fought by Humayun in increasing chronological order. Battle of Chausa was fought in 1539, Battle of Devra at 1532, Sirhind at 1550 and Battle of Kannauj at 1540. So the correct chronological order in ascending order will be A. 32. Akbar's Din-e-Ilahi religion was based on monotheism. Akbar founded it in. The answer is none of the above, as it was founded in 1582 AD. The head priest of this new sect was Abul Fazl. Among the Hindus, only Birbal joined it. 33. In the Junagadh inscription, details of which of the following rulers are found? The answer is more than one of the above, as all Rudradaman, Chandragupta Maurya, Skandagupta and Ashok, all of these details are found. 34. Whose famous work is Devi Chandraguptam? The answer is Visakha Dutt. It describes about Ram Gupt and Chandragupta. 35. Which one of the following stupas is not associated with any incident in the life of Buddha? The correct answer is Sanchi. 36. Sutka Gendor, an important site of Harappan civilization, was situated on the bank of which river? The correct answer is Dast. Sutka Gendor is situated on Dast river, Daimabad on Paravar river, Manda on Chenab, Chanudaro on Indus. 37. The difference between Indus Valley civilization and Vedic civilization is not based on. The correct answer is more than one of the above. 38. How many judges are there in the Supreme Court at present? It is 34. At present, there are 34 judges in the Supreme Court of the India, including 33 judges and 1 Chief Justice. 39. Judicial review means that the Supreme Court declare any law of the state to be invalid. 40. Under which of the following articles of the Constitution the State Finance Commission is constituted? The answer is Article 243I. 41. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The correct answer is election of the members of the Rajya Sabha, Ireland. It will be South Africa. 42. Who has been placed along with the Speaker of the Lok Sabha at the 6th position in the order of the precedence? Chief Justice of India. 43. Choose the correct descending order of the seats of the following states in the upper house of the Parliament. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. It has 31 seats, Maharashtra 19, Tamil Nadu 18 and Bihar. 44. When was the Rajya Sabha first constituted? 3 April 1952. 45th. With whose approval does the Government of the India withdraw any money from the Consolidated Fund of the India? The correct answer is E. As under the Article 114 of the Constitution, the government can withdraw any money from the Consolidated Fund only after the appropriation bill is passed by the Parliament. 46. Which of the following parliamentary committees is the largest parliamentary committee in terms of the number of members? It is Departmental Standing Committee. 47. It is the duty of the Union to protect every state from external aggression and internal disturbance. In which article of the Constitution it is mentioned? Article 355. 48. The Indian Constitution strikes a fine balance between the more rigid and the more flexible. Who among the following has made the above statement about the Indian Constitution? It is K.C. Weir. Question number 49. What is the basic objective of the Panchayati Raj system? Public participation in development and democratic decentralization. The correct answer is more than one of the above. 50. Who among the following is appointed by the governor but cannot remove by him from his office? Chairman of State Public Service Commission and State Election Commissioner, though appointed by the governor but they cannot be removed by him. Chairman of the State Public Service Commission is removed by only by the President of the India, and State Election Commissioner is removed by the post like judge of the High Court or the Supreme Court. For how many days the Legislative Council can stop a finance bill? The correct answer is none of the above, as the Legislative Council can stop any finance bill only for 14 days, and after that the bill is deemed to have been passed in the form in which it is sent by the Legislative Assembly. 52. Single transferable vote system is used in India. It is used in election of the Rajya Sabha and election of the Legislative Council. Correct answer is more than one of the above. 53. Which of the following is the SI unit of wavelength? It is meter. 54. If the temperature of the air increases, then its ability to hold water vapor increases. 55. Gravitational constant is a constant whose value is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. C is the right answer. 56. Which of the following is not an example of refraction of light? The correct answer is A. Shining of diamond. 57. What is the political instrument used to see very fine objects? Microscope. 58. The mass of an object is a measure of which of the following? The answer is C. Inertia. 59. Which of the following is the unit of electric power? Watt. 60. Humidity is measured with which of the following instruments? Answer is hygrometer. 61. The time period of the simple pendulum depends on which of the following? It depends on length. 2. All magnetic materials lose their magnetic properties when immersed in water is the correct answer. 63. Which of the following is not an example of chemical? The answer is conversion of water into water vapor. 64. What is the chemical name of vitamin B2? It is riboflavin. 65. Generally the pitch of female voice is more than man. 66. Which of the following comes under true fruit? Mango and grapes are true fruit as they are developed from ovary. Apple and pear are false fruit. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. 67. The most reactive metal in the reactive series. The answer is potassium. 68. What makes up about 80% of the living matter of most animals? The answer is protein. 69. By whom was the double helix structure of DNA given? Watson and Crick. 70. In which alloy zinc is not found? The answer is bronze. 71. The chemical formula of heavy water is D2O. 72. The number of electrons and neutrons in an element are 18 and 20 respectively. Its mass number will be 38. 73. Which of the following are essential elements for the growth of plant? Calcium, phosphorus, nitrogen and potassium are essential elements for the growth of plant. So the answer is more than one of the above. E. 74. Which of the following should not be consumed by heart patient in excess? The answer is fat. 75. Botanical garden and zoological garden are examples of which of the following? BXC2 protection. 76. Mendel's theory of heredity was based on which of the following? Sexual reproduction. 77. Which one of the following is a bioindicator of air pollution? Lichens. 78. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Vitamin A color blindness is not correctly matched, as color blindness is a genetic disorder and deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness and xerophthalmia. 79. Which of the following is a protozoan disease? Kala Azar and malaria are protozoan disease, and dengue and measles are caused by virus. 80. Which of the following cell components destroy bacteria entering the cell? These are lysosomes. 81. What is the main source of energy in the ecosystem? The correct answer is C. Solar radiation. 82. Match list 1 and list 2. Urea is a fertilizer, penicillin, antibiotic, malathion, fungicide, copper sulfate, insecticide. So the correct answer is C. Abdul Razak Gurnah was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for 2021. Belongs to which country? The answer is Tanzania. 84. Samriddh program was launched by which ministry on 25 August 2021? The answer is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. 85. Where is India's first vertical tar forest, Mana forest, being built? The answer is B. Bhopal. 86. Bhavina Patel, who was in news recently, is related to which sports? The correct answer is para table tennis, and the correct answer for 85 is Bangalore. 87. In which country was the exercise Pubby Anti-Terror 2021 organized by SCO member countries? The answer is Pakistan. 88. Who was awarded the Best Film Award at the Dada Saab Phalke International Film Festival 2021? The correct answer is Tanaji the Unsung Warrior. 89. Geologists of which country have discovered 1.6 billion years old water on Earth? The answer is Canada. 90. Which of the following organization has launched Swas and Arog loan scheme for MSME? It is SIDBI. 91. Colonel Bikumla Santosh Babu, who was martyred in the Galwan Valley, was awarded with which national award? The correct answer is Mahavir Chakra. 92. With which state did Ladakh administration has signed an MOU to turn the Union Territory into an organic entity? It is D. Sikkim. 93. Bihar has been linked with which state under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Abhiyan? The correct answer is Mizoram and Tripura, more than one of the above. 94. Who has been appointed by the Government of India as a chairman of the committee constituted for the matters related to direct and indirect taxes? The correct answer is Ashish Sidhonkar. 95. Who became the women's single winner of Australian Open Tennis Championship 2021? The correct answer is Naomi Osaka. 96. Who has become the first female Prime Minister of Estonia? The answer is D. Kaja Kallas. 97. Recently, Storm IDA has wreaked havoc in which country? The correct answer is USA. 98. The Government of India has replaced the Department of Public Enterprises from the Ministry of Industries under which ministry? C. Ministry of Finance. 99. Which portal has been launched by the Defence Minister to provide pension to its soldiers? The correct answer is D. Spurs portal. 100. People of what age limit will be eligible for National Pension System? The correct answer for this is 70. 101. Who was the Indian flag bearer in the opening ceremony of Tokyo Paralympics 2021? The correct answer is Tek Chand. He was the India's flag bearer at the Tokyo Paralympics opening ceremony after Thangavelu Mariappa was quarantined following close contact with a COVID-19 positive person. 102. In which country Mark Dechu hydroelectric project built with the help of India was awarded Brunel Medal by London-based Institution of Civil Engineers? The correct answer is Bhutan. 103. In which country India is building mega ISRO ground station for Asian countries? It is Vietnam. 104. With which country has the Government of India signed an MOU for cooperation in the field of information and communication technology? The correct answer is Japan. 105. Which book describes the 4-year tenure of the Vice President of the India, Venkaiah Naidu? The correct answer is Reflecting, Recollecting and Reconnecting. 106. Which portal has been prepared jointly by ISRO and Ministry of Rural Development to generate data for rural development? The correct answer is Yukta Dhara portal. 107. In which state Lai Haroba festival was celebrated? It is Manipur. 108. Who became the youngest mountaineer in the world to reach the summit of K2? The answer is Feroz Kasif. 109. India's first green energy convergence project will be set up in which state? The answer will be Goa. 110. Who has become the winner of Fight Chess World Cup 2021? The correct answer is Jan Christoph. 111. Where will the 33rd Summer Olympics game be held in 2024? The correct answer is Paris. 112. Where was the world's largest national flag made of khadi unfurled on 2 October 2021 on the 152nd anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi? The correct answer is Ladakh. 113. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? B and C are not correctly matched, as beginning of Green Revolution was done during annual plan, that was from 1966 to 69, and underground nuclear testing was done on 1974. So the answer is more than one of the above. 114. Which of the following are not included in the dimension of the Gender Equality Index to be published along with Human Development Index? The answer is D, per capita income. 115. What is the current base year of wholesale price index in India? The answer is 2011 to 12. So none of the above. 116. Which of the following are the basis of sustainable development? Environmental approach. Environmental approach is the cornerstone of sustainable development. Which of the following possibilities are helpful in the expansion of the food processing industry? The correct answer is D. 118. Ease of doing business index report is released by which of the following? The correct answer is World Bank. 119. Where is the National Fisheries Development Board located? The answer is Hyderabad. 120. Arrange the following in ascending order according to the chronological order of their establishment. The correct answer is SIDBI was established on 1990, Imperial Bank of India 1921, NABARD in 1982, GIC on 1972. So the correct answer is A, 2431. 121. In the year 2017, the railway budget was merged with the general budget on the recommendation of which committee? The correct answer is A, Vivek Debroy Committee. 122. The decrease in the rate of inflation and increase in the unemployment rate due to decrease in demand in the economy is called as the slowdown. 123. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana? The correct answer is D. The premium amount of this insurance plan is 12. It is rupees 12 per year, not per month. That's why it is incorrect. 124. At present, how many regional rural banks are there in Bihar? There are 2. D is the right answer. 125. The estimated revenue deficit for the Union Budget 2021-22 is what percentage of the GDP? The correct answer is 5.1%. 126. The growth rate of the real gross state domestic product of Bihar in the year 2019-20 was 10.5%. 127. What is the total length of Patna Metro Rail project? The answer is 31.29 kilometers. 128. Which of the following valley is located in the Himalayan region? The answer is C. Valley of Flowers. Araku Valley is situated in Golikonda and Rawatkonda in Andhra Pradesh. Kumbun Valley in Tamil Nadu. Silent Valley is in Kerala. 129. The correct order of the given hills from north to south is? The answer is Aravali, Girnar, Satmala and Anaimudi. 130. Which of the following project is not on Chenab river? The correct answer is C. Tulbul project. 131. The state which receives maximum rainfall from northeast monsoon is? Tamil Nadu. 132. Bailadela mine in Chhattisgarh is famous for? Iron ore. 133. Which of the following is not a port city of Gujarat? It is Jamnagar. 134. Which city does not come under mega city? Chennai. 135. Which of the following is a dormant volcano? The answer is Fusiyama. 136. Which of the following is not correctly matched pair of levels of the atmosphere and their characteristics? The correct answer is D. Mesosphere polar light. 137. The river flowing through Rift Valley is? It is Rhine. 138. Which of the following is a landlocked country? The correct answer is Botswana. 139. Which of the following river has its origin in Bihar? It is Buri Gandak. 140. Rail transport in Bihar is operated and controlled by? It is operated by Northeast Railway, East Central Railway, Northeast Frontier Railway. Along with these three, Southeastern Railway is also the correct answer. So the correct answer will be more than one of the above. E. More than one of the above. 149. 141. The correct order of districts with highest urban population is? The answer will be B. Patna has 25.14 lakh people. Bhagalpur has 6.03 lakh people and Gaya 5.81, Begusarai 5.69. 142. Which is not included in Gandhi circuit? The answer is D. 143. In a party, each person shakes hands with all the people present. If the total handshakers are 66, then how many people were there in the party? It is given by the formula n plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 66. When we will solve this equation, we will get n is equals to 12. Mukesh starts a business for 3500 and after 6 months, Veena joined Mukesh as a partner. After 1 year, profit is divided in the ratio 2:3. What is Veena's contribution to the capital? The correct answer is D. 145. A car covers the distance between A and B in 45 minutes. If the speed of the car is reduced by 8, it covers the same distance in 49.5 minutes. What will be the distance between A and B? The correct answer will be B. 146. Find the next term in the given series. The correct answer will be A. 147. Sorry, 146. The correct answer will be D. For 147 also it will be D. And for 148 it will be A. For 149 it will be B and 150 it will be D. Thank you.